Hi friends, Namaste, welcome back to Balayogi channel. This is Hariharan here. So meeting you guys after a long time, right? So wonderful. So today I've got a special topic. So before getting into the subject, gently click onto the subscription button and then click onto the bell icon. Okay. So in life, okay, we all are facing some of the other problems, right? So, there are three kinds of problems according to spirituality. Okay, that is applicable in the materialistic world also and in the relative world. So, the first one is called Adi Bhautika. Okay, and the second is called Adi Devika, and then third is called Adhyatmika. These are the three types of challenges which are faced in everybody's life. Okay, so what are these? I'll be explaining you with a small, story from the Ramayana. Okay, in the Ramayana, when Sita is in the captivity of Ravana, Rama sends Hanuman to I mean in fetch of her, right? So when Hanuman and his team reaches to the end point, that is the Rameshwaram, and then that's when his friend Jambua encourages him to fly the ocean. Okay, so when he is flying through the ocean, there the story describes what are the types of struggles faced in one's life. Okay, so what happens when Hanuman starts crossing the sea? Okay, the first problem which comes, is a mountain, right? So the mountain's name is called Menak. Okay, so what does the mountain tell when Hanuman is crossing over it? The mountain Mainik tells that you have to take refuge here. Okay, why don't you take some rest? And then you can go after some time. So Hanuman tells, no, I'm on a Ramakarya. Okay, so and then he tells, I'm not in a position to rest, so please, my salutations to you, let me proceed. What does the mountain signify? Mountain is Pancha Mahabhuta, right? So it is one of the element of Pancha Mahabhuta, that is called Adi Bhautika. So any problem which relates in terms of Pancha Mahabhuta is called Adi Bhautika type of challenges or problems. Okay, and after this, when he tells and then he passes, I mean he starts flying, so he goes to the second level. So there, there is uh, a woman who stops him. So she's called Nagamata. Okay, her name there is Surasa. She would be having a boon from Brahma, saying that whoever passes from that, they have to either pass through her mouth, okay, or they will get killed in the stomach of Surasa. Okay, so that was the boon given from Brahma to the Nagamata or the Surasa. Okay, so what happens when Hanuman is passing? She will not allow him to go. Okay, so this happens. Say, suppose these are like the troubles which we get from the people around us. Say, suppose if you are opening a company, you might get problems from the government. You might have certain problems from the local people. You might have problems from your own families. You might have problems from police. A lot of bribing, this, that, and all lot of problems because of humans, which is not in our control. Okay, so that type of problems are called Adi Devika. So we don't have any control over those. What we have to do, we just have to pass that. So in that case, the aham should not come. So that is why in yoga it is told, you also have to join your hands and then go down, and there are times when you have to raise your hands. So we have to use our viveka intellect at that point, and then we must deal with this Adi Devika problems. Okay, so the next one is called Adhyatma, which deals with oneself. Okay, this is the problem which is faced by one's own self. That is the point where the ego comes into place. Okay, or you can call you yourself stopping. Okay, So that aham, ego, or this is called adi adhyatmika. Okay, it is spiritual related. It means what happens in Ramayana. There is a person called Singha who stops Hanuman from passing. So what he does is he traps the shadows of people who passes through him. So when Hanuman was flying, he holds the shadow of Lord Hanuman. Okay, so and then he does not allow Lord Hanuman to pass through that. So what does Hanuman do there? He uplifts himself, and then he surrenders to the ego. He goes, he tells Jai Shri Ram, and then he knocks out the problem, right? He destroys the demon, and then he flies back, and then he lands to Lanka. Okay, this is just a small story from Ramayana which signifies that everybody has to face all these three types of problems. So hope you remember this. Whenever you face a challenge, you can connect yourself with your story of your life, and then you can see yourself, you might be facing one of these challenges at any time of point. So use it, and then make a way out of your challenge, right? So wonderful, guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Namaskaram.